48 volt bench test, smoke test. Power supply underneath is 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Output fan running we would probably say 95 degrees. No, 94. Yeah, we'll say 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's the 12 volt power supply. 85 degrees. Started out at 78, so it's actually fairly steady. The wires themselves aren't much hotter than they originally were. The 12 volt system, this would be easily 130 degrees right now. These are virtually unchanged from the base system, 81, 82 degrees. Here are the 4 peltiers in series, making 48 volt. And the output is, I think if I read it right about here, where the cold water comes in, I think I was reading 64. Even lower. All right, 61, we'll say 61 degrees. Overall, jumping it up to 48 volts has decreased most of the wastage. The kilowatt down by the floor reads 260 watts and has stayed there for pretty much the entire half-hour run. So, really happy with this. And we'll see, once I eventually get the evaporative cooling on the output fan, this thing should be able to put out about 500 watts of cooling. It should be more than enough. So once I've got this done, I'm going to get the Arduino hooked back up with the logger, and we'll get it back in the window, and we'll do another 24-hour run. Alright, thanks a lot. Like and subscribe.